My name is Hagen. I'm Director of Planning and Construction for the school system here in Nashville. How we got started with Flozone, because it was kind of interesting that I attended this USGB, they call it Friday luncheon, just kind of on a whim, because it was about water conservation, and learned a lot in that meeting about Flozone, which I'd never heard before, and got interested in it because I'd never realized how much water you could really save on a cooling tower. That was an initial savings of $250,000. Then the system itself will save you not only on water but also on energy, because you've got clean pipes now that the water's running through, so the transfer of energy goes through your piping much more efficiently. So on the energy side, we picked up $96,000, and this is on 24 to 30 systems over a period of a year. On the water side, we picked up $300,000. So overall, in water and energy, we picked up $600,000 savings in the first year. So that's a significant amount of savings, and we're looking at the coming years, the system to continue to save as time goes on, because we know energy costs, water costs, everything's going up. It's leveled off now a little bit here with the economy, but we know that's a temporary situation, knowing that it's going to continue to save us money and save us enough to pay for itself in 3 to 5 years. It's probably going to pay for itself in 3 years. And then from then on, we'll just be saving money. You can't beat that. So the green movement, the idea of saving the environment, all of that ties in very well with what we're doing with Flozone. And, you know, going back to seeing that we had a $10 million a year energy bill really got my attention. And so all through the years, we've been looking for ways to save energy. And of course, energy in my mind is the most important thing that an owner is interested in, because that's where he can save dollars. Not only does it save dollars, though, it also saves the environment. That's sometimes not too important to owners, but you can really get their attention by saving dollars. And so the Flozone system is a system that addresses that and is a part of that. We found in a number of these projects that we went into just to do the cooling tower, that the closed loop side of the HVAC system was all clogged up. In fact, we had one school that was so clogged up you couldn't stick a pencil through the pipe. They brought me a section of pipe into my office one day and said, you know, we got a problem. So we were looking at about $1 million to replace the piping in this school. And I said, well, you know, I know Flozone can clean pipe, and they've got the radio frequency and so forth that they use to clean. Let's just talk to them. Maybe it'll work. And sure enough, it did. They came out to our school, as Apollo School, and for about, I think it was about $36,000, cleaned our piping. Okay, we've had such good success with ozone treatment and with the Flozone system that we had planned this, but we did want to see how the first year went. But we are now going into our second phase, where we're doing 54 additional schools with the ozone-treated water, and it's I think 64 different systems in 54 schools. With Flozone, they are on top of it. They have it monitored 24 hours a day over the internet, so they know exactly what's going on with the units and whether they're performing properly or not. So we're very confident that we've got a system that is going to work for us.